I'm here to talk about this add-on that I have on my Flatland 3D gloves. Hi everyone, Marcus here from MADpack, and if you love EUCs, PVs and everything that have an E of electricity, this is the place for you. And today we are riding the Emotion V11 with some extras that I'm going to bring to the channel, or maybe I have already showed to you guys when I released this video, but I'm here to talk about this add-on that I have on my Flatland 3D gloves. And I've done it, so this is not something that you can purchase, or you can purchase and you can make by yourself. It's really easy, and I'm going to tell you what you need to do. But I saw this on the channel of Wrong Way, and I thought it will be very interesting to try to do something similar, but not spending basically any money. So what I've done, I basically purchased a mirror that you use in a bike that cost me like £1, £2, not more than that. And what I've done after is I just take the adapter, I basically put some double tape and I attach to my glove, and in that way I can use it without a problem. This is my first time just going out with this mirror, but I've tried it from the gloves from another friend of mine, and I thought this is quite interesting. So Troy, thank you very much for the hack also, and Adam, because the first time that I saw it was with Adam, is really helpful, because I give you a few examples. If you are riding in a group ride, you want to see if your friends are behind or really behind, you always have to look behind to see what is happening. If you have to pass another car, you need to see what is happening behind you, and once again you are able to do it with this mirror. So in this case I brought from AliExpress. Like I said, I take out the adapter and I put on my hand. Another thing that I recommend you to do, that I basically done in this way, but I don't think it's the best for just riding for 2 seconds with it, because I have the wrist guards on the top, so it's harder for me to just rotate my pulse. But if you put a little bit closer to your thumb, it's much easier for you to just look behind and see what is happening. So just a pro tip that you have, but in this way you can have a mirror to be able to see what is happening behind you. When you are going to apply, I recommend you to apply in the opposite hand of the sides where you ride. So in this case I ride in the UK, and in this case you obviously ride from your left, and I have the mirror on my right hand, so in that way I can see what is happening behind. When I need to pass, obviously I need to see if a car is just passing by the side, and in that way you are able to do with this small hack. My name is Marco, this is MADpack. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, smash the thumbs up, do whatever you want, but always with a smile on your face, and I hope to see you in the next one.